omdala. Ibizo lami kuthiwa ngingu-Anastasia Ndlovu. Ngihlala koBulawayo, ngikhulele koBulawayo. Ngafunda eHlathi High School. Ngase ngisiyakwenza i-journalism yami eZambia e-Evelyn Hone College. Ngabo 97, 98 ngagraduate khona ngale. Ngaphenduka eZimbabwe. Ngibhadalelwa ngubaba uDabengwa. Last week besile memorial service kaMama uDabengwa. Sihlanganisa lo baba uDabengwa. So to me it's a double tragedy ukuthi sendahlekelwe ngulusi. Usisi Lusi Yasini ngiqala ukumazi ngiqalisa i-journalism. Ngihlangana la enqambiye kuma meetings khona ngapha eHarare kubo Zimbabwe Union of Journalists, kubo farms esiyi-Gender Media Connect, la kubo Voluntary Media Council, ikakhulu eMisa Zimbabwe. Yikho lapho esihlangana khona sifundiswa ngokubhala i-news. Sifundiswa lokuthi sizivikele njani nxa singene ebunzimeni ngoba uhulumende wethu uloncindezelo kakhulu kuntatheli zindaba. Ekuhambeni kweminyaka ngithe sengifunda futhi sengisenast. Ngahlangana lo Sisi Yasini sengisebenzela okuthiwa i-Voice of the People, director wethu kunguJohn Masuku. Sasebenza labo Sisi Yasini. Usisi Yasini besebenzisa ibizo lakhe esase-ZBC wayenguLusi Yasini. Uthe sesukile eZBC ngenxa yokoma kwezinto, izinto sezingasamhambeli kuhle, engasakhululekanga ukusebenza, ebesenguMavis Gama eVoice of America. So ngisebenze laye eVOP, senisuke eVoice of the People, ngahamba ngasebenza kuFinGas la kwamanye ama-political parties. But ngathi sengiqeda laphana kuma-political party ngase ngisiyasebenzela i-Voice of the People. Ngathola uSisi Yasini evele sengikhona ngayo. Sivele simhawukela ukuthi lawo nxa useVoice of America, even eVoice of the People, uyabusungathi usukhululekile ukusebenza, kanti usuzilethele amalahle ekhanda. Liyakhumbula kulesikhathi uSisi Lusi Yasini uthe esebenza wachaywa ngamapholisa. Udlule ebunzimeni obuningi uSisi Lusi Yasini. But enguthandileyo lengufundileyo ngaye ikakhulu sengiseVoice of America yikuzehlisa. Noma kunzima khona ngale Voice of America, uSisi Lusi Yasini ubesitshengisa indlela yokusebenza. Athi ungakhalali imali. Nxa isithi ungakhalali imali, it means continue working. We continued working with Sisi Lusi Yasini up to her last day. I remember there is a day ethumela message ku group yemsebenzini esithi I'm not feeling well. I got concerned ukuthi uSisi is not feeling well. Wandanisa ukuthi uSisi uyagula. But all I can tell you is Lusi Yasini was a hard-working person. Silahlekelwe. And into ebinhle ukuthi uSisi Lusi Yasini wafunda eHlathi lami ngafunda eHlathi. Wakhulela koBulawayo kungale cold storage laseSizinda, mina ngiseceleni lapha eChabalala. So khona wasenza sazwanana, we bonded in a way yokuthi we understood each other. Nxa ngile problem, Sisi Lusi Yasini would dip her hand in a pocket and give me whatever she has. I at times sell Tupperware. I tell you, Tupperware will come all the way from Bulawayo. She will buy from me, supporting me. So she has supported us in so many ways that I cannot explain in a short period of time. But all I can say is that we've lost, I call it a media general. You know, in the army, the way they respect each other in their hierarchy. To me, Sisi Lusi Yasini is a general in the media. We have lost, the nation has lost someone who is highly experienced. If all was well in Zimbabwe, Sisi Lusi Yasini was supposed to be maybe a permanent secretary in the Ministry of Information or a minister in the Ministry of Information, but akuvumi. So she's our best. Zimbabwe has lost, I tell you, someone who is experienced, it may be even lecturing at UZ or even having her own media house. She deserved that.